The Pier 1 up on live on Cannabis Selfie TV.
No interview, just a believe in a selfie TV, that's all. Me no business who you want to say. Please.
Okay, do your things. Cannabis Selfie TV. Selfie TV. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in me or she.
Say no one from me the voice, so it's I have to say it. See no. Every day we ride.
Believe in yourself.
That's right.
Selfie TV.
For the shot at them stop. I stand at the lyrics them, the loudly clock.
If you get your hands struck, raise your cup to the sky. If you cheer for your favorite sound, say sound fit dead. Alright. Let me shout out to CC Entertainment, C Note. Yeah. And the reggae champion sponsor your next Sundays of the year. Selfie TV. No cassette, no CD, no DVD. You know, I'm the only walking smart TV. Pick up Selfie TV. If you see the winner, put your two in the ear. If you know who win the clutch, put your hand in the ear. Why, oh boy. More beer! More beer! A solid cartoon! So with a difference! Show, listen! Wow!
It's worth a time. The Japanese don't have no mercy. Three sounds will fall.
Fire!
Mighty ground mash them all. And the trophy to mighty ground. Oh God.
Yeah, man.
You want cannabis? Yeah, selfie TV. Yeah. Kaboom! Cannabis! Every girl want one of this. You know it's Warlord representing for Selfie TV. The real help with TV. Cannabis! Come off your hand on this. Cross.
We say selfie car with kids. Yeah, all I'm gonna put them, make sure they tune in. Don't move a muscle, don't even blink. I'm gonna lash them put on food. I want the DEM, selfie TV in a loud. No DVD, no CD, no cassette, no cable. We on T4, we are watch.
Selfie TV.
Alright, Cannabis Selfie TV, we are watch.